What's up, guys? So back with another video, shooting in a different spot today. You might notice this from many moons ago, but we're giving it another shot. Continuing my coverage on the Galaxy S10, X10 Plus, and the S10e. Today we got two Poetic cases for the Galaxy S10 Plus. They're both priced at $16.99. They basically give or take the same, but one's a little bit more protective than the other. We'll get into that in a sec. Here we go. So the first one we got is their Guardian case. This one's a little newer. Gonna get it up in the middle there, that way you guys can scan it. This guy again is $16.99. This is the blue one. Now you'll notice it's a two-piece type case with a clear back, so you can rock out, the color of your phone. In my case, it's black, or if you had a skin, let's say. All right, so getting it open is fairly simple. As I said, it's a two-piece case. Now I really like Poetic cases simply because, as you notice, they more or less don't spend too much money on their boxing. They don't spend money on advertising. The money goes into these cases, and that's the main reason why I do like these guys. They don't pay me anything to say this kind of stuff, but just being honest. And I've been using these cases. That's why you see them basically opened up. Now, to apply this case, very simple. Take the piece here, you pop it over the phone like so. Usually you go not from the back, better like that. Make sure it's in. Now I do have Whitestone tempered glass on here, and as you can see, it doesn't affect it in any way, shape, or form. And then you would take this. Obviously you would clean this up so it would look better, but in my case, it's just for demonstration purposes and to give you guys a look more or less. And then there you go, you got it in. You get your back there for dramatic effect. You can drop a skin in there, show off the back of your phone. Port-wise, everything is nice and covered up. So it's more like a kind of like an outer box, I guess you would kind of call it. Protection-wise, give you a side view where you can see the lip, so to speak. It's definitely Slim Boy certified. You can bang this around. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Now the next one is their Revolution series. Now both these cases back in the day used to have built-in screen protectors, and now they don't. I'm not sure if it's just because of the S10, or maybe they took my advice, because I hated the built-in screen protectors. This one comes with a kickstand, which is very cool for you guys. You want to consume some media. But you'll notice this one's a little more rugged. This one you could probably throw across a room. Now another thing with these cases is they aren't rated. So again, that's why you're saving some money. A lot of these other manufacturers will say, oh, they're military drop and they're $11, and they're not. They're just saying that. Anyway, so let's take this case out. You'll see I just pull it from the top. Boom. File that baby off to the side for now. And then the same deal with this. You're gonna grab it from the corner or the top or whatever. Pop it out like so. Take the foot like so. Take the phone. Drop it in there. Make sure you got it in all four corners. Boom, you're in. Case in the other hand, or however you want to do it. And yet again, drop that bad boy in there. Now again, this has tempered glass, like I said. Everything works. Now this guy is a lot more rugged, as you can see. It's thicker on the sides. Again, Slam Boy certified. You can slam this baby all you want. Nothing's gonna happen. Unlock. All buttons work. Nice and clicky, nice and tactile. So if you're looking for something that's protective, definitely grab this case. This is my favorite one by far of the two. And if you want to see the back, you want to be cool, drop a skin, this guy's cool too. Okay, they're both 16 bucks. I'm going to drop it down below. If you like this video, drop me a thumbs up. Let me know if you got any ideas on how I can make this a little bit better. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Peace, laters.